Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about a Java character class. So when we come towards Java character, we are all well known that a character is a single letter or special character or a digit or an alphabet that is enclosed in a single quotes. So there are various methods which are all supported in Java in order to perform a various operation on the character set. The first and foremost method is letter of. Is letter of is the method which is used to check whether the given one is letter or not, whether the character value given is letter or not. If you want to check whether the given character value is a digit or not, then we can use the method is digit of. If the particular one is digit, then it will return true. Otherwise, the is digit of method will return false. Is white space of is the method to check whether the given specified character value is white space or not. Similarly, is uppercase of is the method which is used to check whether the given character value is in uppercase or not. Similarly, is lowercase is used to check whether the given character value is in lowercase or not. And two uppercase method is used to convert the particular character value into uppercase. And similarly, two lowercase is used to return the specific character value in lowercase letter. And two string of which is used to return the specific character value in a string format. Let us discuss an example program. Here public class character methods. It is user defined class and then public static void main of string args of char c2. The c2 is set as capital P and c3 is set as digit 8. System.out.println of is defined character. Here the character is the class name dot is defined of, which means that the method is defined is called with the name of class, so that we can say is defined of is the method which is of the form static. Because this method is called without an object, we have to note here. And character dot is defined of c2. Yes, the character c2 is defined by the letter p, so it returns true as a result. And is digit of c2, is digit of c2 will return false because the given letter in c2 is p. That is, the letter, the character stored in c2 is letter p. It's not a digit, so it will return false. Is digit of c3 which will return true because the c3 contains the value 8. And is letter of c2, yes, is letter of c2 will return true because c2 contains the letter p. Is letter of c3 will return false because c3 contains 8, it's not a letter. And similarly, is letter or digit is the method to check whether the particular value stored is digit or letter. If it is letter, it will return true. If it is digit, then also it will return true. Is lowercase of method, is lowercase of method is used to check whether the given character is in lowercase or not. Is lowercase of c2, the c2 contains the letter which is in uppercase, so is lowercase will return false as a result. And is uppercase of c2, it will return the result as true because c2 contains the character value which is in uppercase letter. And two lowercase of is used to return the given character in the form of lowercase, so c2 contains capital P. Two lowercase will return the capital P in form of lowercase p. And is white space of, it is the method which is used to check whether there is white space, whether the c2 contains white space or not. It does not contain any white space, so it returns false as a result. and character dot to string of. So it is the method which is used to convert the character into string form, so that the character stored in C2 is converted and stored in the string S1. System.out.println of S1 will print the particular thing in form of string. The next topic we are going to discuss is Java strings. So we are all well known that Java string is a collection of characters that are enclosed in double quotes. So in Java, string is basically an object that represents the sequence of character values. Here string is not a data type, here string is a class, we have to remember. Once a string object is created, it cannot be changed. So we can say strings are immutable. And also, in order to get changeable strings, that is, if you want to have a mutability concept in the string, then Java supports the class that is called as string buffer class. There are two ways to create the string object. One is by string literal and another one is by new keyword. That is the string s equal to Java, which means that we can directly store the string in the particular string object, that is called as string literal. And another one is called as my by new keyword method, which means that string s equal to new string of Java, so that with the help of new keyword it is possible to allocate the memory and we can store the string value in the particular string object. So in order to concatenate two strings, then we can use the plus operator. As an example, string my name equal to Varun and string s equal to my name is plus my name plus dot, which means that here the string my name is concatenated with the value that is stored in the particular object my name, that is Varun, will be concatenated, and finally the dot will also be concatenated. The Java string class methods are available in java.lang class. Let us now discuss the various string methods. Now we are going to discuss about various string methods in Java. So let us consider the first method is string is empty of. So the is empty of is the method which will return either true or false as a result, because the syntax says public boolean, so that it will return either true or false as a result. If the particular string object contains no more value, then it will return true as a result, otherwise it will return false as a result. For example, in the string s1 there is no more thing, and in s2 we have stored the string value as Python, so that s1 dot is empty of will return true as a result, and s2 dot is empty of will return false as a result. And then index of is used to find out the position of the particular character. So index of int char comma end from index. So here system.out.println of index of e comma 5, which means that from the position 5 it will start the searching and it will give you the position of the particular character in the given string. And then string hash code of. So the hash code of will return the hash code value of the particular string. Yes, string object dot hash code of will return the particular hash code value. And then public int length of is used to find out the length of the given string. Here the string is stored, string contains some a to j, and txt dot length of will return the length of the string, that is the 10 is the length of the string stored here. And equals of is the method in order to check whether the two string object is equal or not. Here s1 dot equals of s2, java dot equals of Python, it will return false because they are not equal. And in the next one s2 dot equals of s2 dot equals of s3, it is not s2 dot equals of s2, the s2 dot equals of s3, again it will also return false. The reason behind this is java equals of java, it return false because the lowercase one is differ from uppercase one. Even though the content are same, the lowercase, here the Java is case sensitive, so the lowercase letter is differ from uppercase one. So and then a replace of method is used to replace the particular character by the new character. Here hi hi is replaced in hi's I will be replaced by a, so that two i's will be replaced and it will print HAAA. And starts with is the method which is used to check whether the particular string starts with the given string chars. Yes, here str dot starts with of HEL, yes it is true. In the next one, my str dot starts with of LLO, yes it returns false. And then my str dot starts with O, again it will return false as a result. And contains of method is used to check, and contains of here name dot contains of about, yes the contains of about the particular string contains the about string, so it returns true. And similarly do you know is also available, so it will also returns true. And name dot contains of hello, there is no more string hello in the given string name, so it will return false as a result. And then two lowercase, we have already known two lowercase and two uppercase is used to return the string in form of either two lowercase in lowercase letter or in form of uppercase letter. So txt.to uppercase will return the string in uppercase, and similarly two lowercase will return the string in terms of lowercase. But we have to remember string is immutable one, so that the txt.to uppercase will return the string, that is, wait a minute, the hello world, hello hello world will be converted as uppercase and which will be printed, but the original string will not be replaced by this hello world. That is, as strings are immutable, the string's content cannot be changed, which means that here the hello world, the txt contains the hello world in mixed form. So the two uppercase will return the particular string in uppercase form, but it won't replace the original string, which means that this mixed form of hello world will not be replaced by this uppercase hello world on any account. And then format of, so as C, we have a format specifier. The format specifiers can be supported with help of format of method. Here the string dot format of percentage d 101, which means that the 101 format is set as percentage d, that is integer form, and percentage s, which means that the particular string is considered in the form of string form, and percentage f, the particular thing will be considered in the form of float value. The next one is caret method. The caret method returns the character value at the given index number. In general, the index starts from 0. We have to remember this. So public class caret example, this is the user defined class, and public static void main of. In the string name, we have stored the string as java prg, and char ch equal to name dot caret of 4, which means that the character that is available in 4 will be stored in ch. So the position starts from 0, so 0 in 0th position j is there, and in 1's position a, in 2 in second position v, and in 3 we have a, and in 4 we have p. The p will be stored in ch. System.out.println of ch will print p. And then length of, the length of is the method which is used to find out the length of the given string. So here string s1 contains java program and string s2 contains python. S1 dot length of will return 11 as a result, and s1 dot length of will return 6 as a result. So the length starts its counting from 1 the indexing in the caret considers the position of the character, that is it starts from 0 but length it counts from 1. So j will be considered as 1 and a will be considered as 2, v will be considered as third character and so on. So Java programs length will be sent as 11. Similarly for Python it will send as p's position is 1 and y's position is 2. That is, it's not a position, the character's length will be counted from 1. So p will be counted as length 1, y will be counted as length 2, t will be counted as length 3, and h for length 4, o for length 5, and n for length 6. And then substring of method, the substring of method, in order to return the particular part of the string, then we can use a substring of method. Here the starting index is inclusive and end index is exclusive. Which means that here let us consider an example. In this example, the string s1 contains Java program and s1 dot substring of 2 comma 4, the starting index, so that we have come to know that the syntax contains a index. Index means that always points as 0. The first position is 0. So j will be pointed as 0 and a will be pointed as 1 and v will be pointed as 2. So v will be returned and then 3. So a will be returned. So from the syntax, we have clearly known that the starting index is inclusive and the ending index is exclusive one. So that 2's at position 2 we have v. So that is the starting index is inclusive one. So v will be returned, and ending index is exclusive one. So that 4 minus 1 up to 3, that is 2 and 3, the second and third positions character will only be returned. So p won't become, because p is available in the position 4, the p won't come because end index is exclusive one here. And similarly if you give s1 dot substring of 2 from 2, that is 0 and 1 will be excluded, and from 2 the entire thing will be written, so that va program will be written as a result. The next one is string join off method. The join off method is used to join the given delimiter with the given string. For example, string dot join string 1 equal to string dot join off. Join off is the method which is available in the string class. String dot join off hyphen comma welcome comma to comma Java program. Here the delimiter hyphen will be concatenated between welcome and to, and also between to and Java program. When you print this join string 1, you will get the result as welcome hyphen to hyphen Java program. So the next one, equals of method. The equals of method is used to check, compare the two given string based upon the content of the string. We have already known that the Java is case sensitive language, so that the lower case letter is differ from uppercase 1. So here string s1 equal to Java program and s2 is also equal to Java program, and s3 contains the same content Java program, but here the case is uppercase 1, and s4 contains Python. When s1 dot equals of s2, it will return true because the content is same and also the case is also same. S1 dot equals of s3, here the contents are same but case is not same, so it will return false as a result. And s1 dot equals of s2, here the content itself it is different one, so it will return false as a result. So if you want to compare two strings by ignoring the case, then we can use the method equals ignore case of. So again, the s1 contains Java program, s2 contains Java program, and s3 contains Java program which is in uppercase 1, and s4 contains Python. When s1 dot equals ignore case of s2, it will return true because content and case both are same. When s1 dot equals of s3, here content are same but case are not same, even though it will return true as a result because we have called the method equals ignore case, so that the case will be ignored. And s1 dot equals ignore case of s4, here the content are not same, so it will return false as a result. And concat, so string dot concat, concat it is a method which is used to combine two string. Here string s1 is java string and s1 dot concat of is immutable, which means that the java string is concatenated with is immutable, but it won't affect the original value of s1. So when you print this, it will return java string only. If I want to print the concatenated value, then I have to store like this: s1 equal to s1 dot concatenate. Concat is the method. s1 dot concat of is mutable, so assign it explicitly. It is immutable, so we have to assign it explicitly. So which means that the java string is concatenated with the string is immutable, so assign it explicitly will be concatenated, and those entire thing will be stored in s1 as a new string. So when you print s1 now, it will return the result as java string is immutable, so assign it explicitly, the entire content will be displayed. So string dot replace of, the replace of is the method which is used to replace the old occurrence by the new occurrence. Here s1 equal to java program is very good program, and string replace string equal to s1 dot replace of a comma e, so that every a of s1 is replaced by e, and the original thing, the replaced new one, will be stored in the object replace string of. So when you print this, you will get the output as gvpr prog is e very good prog, something like this, because every a is replaced by e. And in the next one, here every is was replaced by was, which means that we can replace a character by a new character. Otherwise, we can replace a string by the new string also. Here the string is replaced by was in the entire sentence, and again we store it as a new string in the particular string object. The next method is a split off method. The split off method is used to split the string against the given regular expression. So here let us consider the regular expression here. So Java string split method by Java program is the string, the original string which is stored in s1. s1 dot split of space. Here the space will act as a expression. So for each and every space, the string's content will be splitted, and each and everything, each and everything will be splitted against the particular regular expression white space. It means that in the given string, a Java space string, so the Java will be considered as separate string, and the space after space the string will be considered as separate one. And also we have another space, so after space we have split word, the split will be considered as one more string, and again space, so the method will be considered as one more string. Similarly by and also Java program. So here the string array of words, so that the array of strings is stored in the particular object words of. So with the help of for each loop, the string w colon word, so that each and every string of the words will be pointed referenced by w, and system.out.println of w, so that the string Java string split method and by Java program will be printed as a separate strings. I repeat, Java string split method is used to split the given string against the regular expression. So here the regular expression, the regular expression is white space. If you can give any, for example, if there is a plus between two strings, you can give s1 dot split of plus, which means that the string before plus and after plus will be considered as separate string and which will be stored in array of string. So one more example now to understand how the split works against regular expression. Here welcome to split world is the original string stored in S1. So returning words is the message which will be printed. And for string W of S1 dot split of slash S0, which means that so zero length strings will be pointed by the string W. The zero length means that here each and every string, here 0 act as a limit, that is length limit, and then slashes, the slashes means will will be treated as a non-space characters. So here welcome to split word, the non-space characters, that is welcome to split and word, will be considered separately, and 0 means the limit is set as 0. So each and every one, the welcome will be considered as separate string, and 2 will be considered as separate string, and split will be considered as separate string, and world will be considered as separate string. So it will return like this. If you do this split of slash s comma 1, which means that the entire non-space characters will be considered as a single string. So it will return welcome to split word add as a single string. If you give slash s comma 2, which means that the non-space character string will be splitted into two parts, the limit is set as two parts, so that the first welcome will set as first part, and remaining after space the remaining thing two split word will be considered as a separate one. And returning words of 3, that is split of slashes comma 3, which means that the entire string will be splitted into three parts. So the splitting will be taken place by slashes, which means that the non-space strings will be separated into three parts, so that welcome will be considered as one part, and 2 will be considered as another part, and split word will be considered as a third part. The next one is the index of method. The index of method will return the position of the particular character or particular string. S1 dot index of is, which will return the index of the substring is. So the index of the substring is 2. And then S1 dot index of index, which returns the index of the substring index, so that the 2 followed by 8 will be printed. Here 2 means that index of is 2, because t is stored in position 0 and h will stored in position 1, and is I is stored in position 2, so that it will return 2 as a result. And when we check for index, the index of particular string substring index, so the 0th position points to t, 1's position points to h, 2's position is pointed by I, and 3's position is pointed by S, and 4th position is pointed by space, and 5th position is pointed by next I, and 6th position is pointed by S, and 7th position is pointed by space, and 8th position is pointed by the starting letter of the substring index. So it will return 8 as a result. And s1 dot index of is comma 4, so it will start its searching from 4th position, so that after this and space the searching will be taken place. So that when you print this index 3, it will return 5 as a result, which means that the is position, the whole world is position is 5, because it starts its searching after 4. And int index 4 equal to s1 dot index of s, so that this particular character s will be searched. The particular character s is the first occurrence of the particular character s is in the word this, so that 0 1 2 and 3 will be printed as a result. So the next method is last index of, which is used to find out the last occurrence of the particular character or particular string. Here the last index of s will return 6 as a result, because the s is occurred, the last occurrence of the character s is 6. That is, the first occurrence is 0 1 2 and 3, and last occurrence is 6. And then two lowercase of method is used to convert the return the particular string in the form of lowercase, so that two lowercase of s1 dot two lowercase of, so the entire string will be converted returned as lowercase string. It won't update. Again I am saying, you cannot replace the original value implicitly in string concept. So we can say string is immutable one. So if I want to replace the, if I want to know, if I want to store the string after performing some operation, I have to store the resultant string in the new string object. So here string s1 lower equal to s1 dot lowercase of, so that the particular string will be converted into lowercase, and the lowercase result has to be stored in one more new object. So when you access the particular new object, you will get the result. And similarly, two uppercase is used to return the given string in the form of capital letters. And trim off, the trim off method is used to eliminate leading and trailing spaces. The hello world, in the hello world there is a leading space and also trailing space. So without trim, s1 plus java will return the hello world, a java with the leading and trailing space. If you use the trim method, the leading and trailing space will be removed, and after that the java will be concatenated and the result will be printed. And two char array is the method which is used to convert the string into in the form of character array. So s1 dot two char array of, so that the hello is converted as is stored as a individual characters in a character array. That is hello, the here the string is hello, the hello is separated and stored as separate char arrays. That is, h is stored in ch of 0, and in ch of 1 e is stored, and so on. So when you access this, we have to call ch of I, which means that the particular position's character can be accessed. And starts with, so the starts with is used to check whether the particular substring is in the starting of the given string. S1 dot starts with JA. Yes, the JA is the starting of the particular string S1, so it will return true as a result. Again, S1 dot starts with of Java string. Yes, Java string is also as a starting part of the given string S1, so again it will return true as a result. And similarly, the value of method converts different types of value into string type. For example, int value equal to 30, string dot value of value, which means that the 30 is converted and stored as string value. So when you access system.out.println of s1, it will return 10. It will return, wait a minute, 30 as a result. because the 30 is the string stored in S1, so it will return 30 as a result. When you print s system.out.println of s1 plus 30, sorry, plus 10, which will print 30, and then 10 will be concatenated. So it won't add 30 plus 10, that is 40, won't be a result. So here the 10 will be concatenated with the string s1. So in order to convert the various forms of value into string type, we can use the method value of. So another class is string buffer class. So in order to support the concept of mutability, we are moving towards a string buffer class. So string buffer class is used to create the mutable string. The string buffer class in Java is same as string class except it is mutable, which means that it can be modified. So the various constructors of string buffer class is, the first form of constructor is string buffer. It will create a string buffer with the initial capacity of 16. String buffer of string, we can give the string as a argument, and also string buffer of int capacity, we can give our own capacity as a argument also. And string buffer capacity of method, so here string buffer sb equal to new string buffer of system.out.println sb.capacity, which will return the default capacity of the string buffer is 16. So in order to add the string, we have to use the method append of sb.append of hello, so that the hello will be appended to the sb. The initially the sb is empty one, so that the hello will be appended in sb. Again, when you call sb.capacity of, now also it will return capacity as 16, because it contains only the string of length 5. So when once again I am going to append the string Java is my favorite language, now the capacity will be exceeded by 16. When you access after exceeding the capacity 16, the original result will be 34. The reason behind this is old capacity into 2 plus 2 will be the newer capacity. Here the older capacity is 16, 16 into 2 plus 2, so that the 34 will be the newer capacity. The next method is insert method. In order to insert the given string in the given position, we can use insert of method in string buffer. String buffer sb equal to new string buffer of hello. The string hello is stored in sb, and sb dot insert of 1 comma java, which means that at position 1, that is the 0th position, is held by h, and the first position, in that first position the java will be inserted, so that when you access this, you will get the result as h java, and then ello will be the result. And replace of, in order to replace the particular thing, we can use the replace method sb.replace of 1 comma 3 java, which means that the position 1, the position 1 e will be replaced by j, and 2 will be replaced by a. Again here also the end index is exclusive one, so 3 minus 1 up to 2, the string replacement will be taken place. So the h will be the first string, and e will be replaced by j, and a will replace the letter l, and after that v and a will be inserted, it won't be replace l and o. So the v and a will be inserted, and after that the l and o will be printed as it is. So h java lo will be the result. And then delete of method. So in order to delete the particular value from the given position to n position, we can use delete of method. Again here delete of 1 comma 3, so that the first positions e will be replaced and second positions l will be deleted. It's not replaced, e and l will be deleted, and the output will be HLO. Again, the end index is exclusive one, so that the position 1's and 2's character will be deleted. A reverse of method. So in order to reverse the particular string, we can use the reverse of method. String buffer SB equal to new string buffer of hello SB dot reverse of, so that the string's content will be reversed. The hello will be reversed so that OLLEH will be printed. Let us have a differentiation between string and string buffer. The string is immutable one and string buffer is mutable one, and string is low and consumes more memory when you concatenate new strings, too many strings, because every time we have to create a new instance, that is we have to uh, explicitly we have to store the replaced string in a new string. But string buffer is fast and it consumes less memory when you concatenate more strings. And then a string class overrides the equals of method of object class, so you can compare the content of two strings by equals of method. A string buffer class does not override the equals of method, so that in string buffer it is not allowed to use equals method, but in string class it is possible to use equals method. And also there is a difference between string buffer and string builder class. The string buffer class is synchronized class, that is thread safe one, but in case of string builder it is non synchronized one, which means that it is not a thread safe one. String buffer is less efficient than string builder class, and string builder is more efficient than string buffer class. So references: Java tutorial point, Java T point, or w3schools.com. So these are all the websites I have referred. You people can also refer those websites for a clear and better understanding in the concepts of Java. So thank you.